officially all moved into our new house, but the one thing that is like so important to me, which is my vanity and my creative space, is like all a mess. Everything else is pretty organized, but this is not, and it's driving me crazy. Like, I haven't filmed. I have like an itch to film, so that's why I'm here. So let's do a little look. My friend is having a gala for her Met spot today, so I'm like 2 hours early, but let's get ready for it. For this look, it's a white attire, so I'm gonna go for like a soft glam on the face, and then I'm gonna go for like a smoky pinkish eye. Start off with this Rose Ink Skin and Hands tinted serum, and I got sent the shade 050. I wasn't recording when I just applied this. You're supposed to pump a little bit and then mix it with your foundation brush to activate the serum. This is a really nice shade for me, but I do want to try a little bit of the darker shade, which is shade 080, just because I feel like it's a tiny bit light, and let's just make it a little bit more bronzy. So we're just gonna blend it out nicely, bring it down to the neck. I loved the combination of those two. Now I'm gonna go in with this Hourglass concealer in the shade Oat, and I don't want too much. That is it. High coverage, you do not need that much product. Obviously, like, to your liking, but I don't like when you can see the concealer too much, so for me, less is more. A little bit more color back into the skin, and I'm gonna start off with this Bubble Elsa lip contour, and I'm just gonna go on my lips first. I'm gonna use this for my lips, and I'm gonna use this for my nose contour, and I'll use a different type for the cheeks. But this like instantly plumps your lips. If you guys haven't tried this product, you guys need to, or just use a bronzer, like a creamy bronzer, to try this technique, because look at the difference that it makes. And I could easily just do this and a little bit of a pinkish lip or something, and it's enough. I don't need the lip liner, and I think that's what I'm doing tonight. Now I'm gonna go in and contour my nose. I'm going in with the concealer brush and just cleaning out the middle part. Now I'm gonna go in with the Patrick Ta She Sculpted bronzer. I'm gonna start off with the powder. I normally like to start off with the cream, but we're gonna just do his way. So you see where my cheek kind of like dents a little. I'm gonna follow that. Now I'm gonna grab a light amount of the cream and do the same. I'm gonna go in with my favorite freckle pen at the moment, which is the Bubble Rudy collection. I love freckle pens. I've used them for forever, like when Freck first sent me their pen, and I alternate between the ones that I love the most, and right now this one is just, she's just that girl. I have to do a full video on it, but everything I've tried so far from Rose Inc is chef's kiss. Everything. Well, she's perfect, so I'm not surprised that she created perfect, stunning products that align with me so much. I'm adding the blush now, and I hate to do this, but go to part 2 for the eyeshadow and the finish look. But look at this blush. It's creamy, it's delicious, it's beautiful. The skin is looking so good, and we didn't really need much makeup. I am going to try one of her highlighters and lippies after this, so I'll see you in part 2.